Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I create this look using all affordable products. So yeah, let's get started. First, I'm priming my face using NYX Primer Spray and then applying NYX Angel Veil on my T-zone. For my foundation, I'm using my Perfect Color Stick foundation from Primark in the shade Toffee. I'm applying it mostly on the center of my face. And then using the Ecotools Sponge to blend it out. Here, I'm applying more the foundation on the area where I want more coverage. And with the same sponge, I'm blending it out. Next, using the Sephora concealer in the shade Camel, I'm going to cover my under eye, conceal some blemishes on my face, and also using this concealer to highlight my face. Then using the same sponge, I'm blending the concealer out. Now I'm going to contour my face using Yves Rocher Stick Concealer in the shade Brown Matte. I'm applying it on the hollow of my cheek, my face, my forehead, and on my nose. Again, I blend it with the same sponge. I'm also applying it on my jaws to give smaller jaw effect, and then continue blending with the same sponge. To set my under eyes and the center of my face, I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Pressed Powder in the shade Warm Light. For the rest of my face, I'm using NYX No Filter Powder in the shade Medium Olive. I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera. And for the eyes, I'm using Makeup Revolution X Soph Eyeshadows Palette. I'm applying Iced Coffee to set the eyelid and to give a little wash of color on the crease using Essence Eye Blending Brush. Next, on the crease, I'm using shade Cup of Tea and Burlesque Brush Pro 86 to apply and deepen the crease. Using Essence Flat Shadow Brush and the concealer, I'm going to cut the crease. And then applying the shade Sparks Fly on the lid using my finger. And with the same Burlesque brush, I'm going to blend it out so there's no harsh line. Next, I'm going in with the shade Danger and Wet n Wild Tapered blending brush number P15 to deepen the outer corner. Then using NYX Retractable Eyeliner in the shade Brown, I'm lining my eye and using the shade Rosewood to smudge that liner. The brush I'm using is Pencil Brush from Kiko. And using shade Fairy Lights to highlight the inner corner and the brow bone. Then finishing off the eyes, I'm using Maybelline Total Temptation on my upper and bottom lashes. To finish off the face, I'm setting the contour using Physician Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer and applying it with Burlesque Pro 130. Then using Real Technique shading brush to contour my nose. To warm up the face, I'm using Kiko Brun Summer 2.0 Baked Bronzer in the shade 01 and BH Cosmetics Big Fluffy Brush number 2. Here I'm using High Definition Blush from NYX in the shade Mauve and Out and BH Cosmetic Blush Brush number 3 to apply. For the highlighter, I'm using NYX Illuminator in the shade Narcissistic and Wet n Wild P75 Highlights brush. I'm applying it on the high point of my cheek, bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, and my cupid's bow. I'm finishing this look using Model's Own Lip Liner Line and Define in the shade Naked 151. I'm also using Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in the shade Give Me Mocha. Finally, to set the makeup in place, I'm using Sephora Beauty Amplifier Fixing Spray. And then dab it using the sponge. And this is the final look. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like button, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you guys. See you on the next video.